Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cool 32 travel mug in a golf edition. I don't make a ton of man tumblers, so every once in a while it's fun to throw one in there. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel if you like this tutorial. Also check the description below for my other Facebook groups. I have a mentorship group and a free group to join as well. We're going to be using a 32 travel mug from the Tipsy Magnolia today. Make sure you check the description down below for a discount code. I have spray painted this tumbler white. After the spray paint has dried, we are going to add a layer of epoxy and let that fully cure. Now I have printed out a golf ball pattern on this clear water slide, and I am just going to set it in this water until the backing starts sliding off. I have previously cut it to fit just the top portion of my tumbler, and once the backing starts sliding off, I am just going to slide off a few inches and then place that on the top section of my tumbler. I like to just get a damp paper towel and push the extra water and bubbles out as I go, and then I will release a little bit more of the backing and then work on the next few inches until I have reached all the way around. I have let my water slide dry for a few hours, and then in that time I have cut out 4 separate colors in stripes of some vinyl. I did like a kind of a rusty orange, and then a mustard yellow, a cream, and like a turquoise, and I am just going to place these right below the bend on the tumbler and just stack them side by side until I reach the bottom. Now we are going to epoxy our tumbler and let it cure. In the meantime, I have cut out some thin stripes of that cream colored vinyl, and I am just striping out the top and bottom of that golf pattern. This will cover any mistakes or mishaps and give your tumbler a nice, clean, and finished look. If you are like me and think men's tumblers are really boring to make, just keep in mind that that's pretty much how men like it. We like all the bells and whistles, and men are just more simple. So I made this tumbler thinking it was super boring, and I wasn't really sure if our friend was going to like it, but my husband came right down, saw it, and told me that that cup was badass. So just keep that in mind when you are designing your tumblers, that men are very simple-minded. Once you get the stripes on, just depending on the decal you chose, you can apply it right over those stripes if it doesn't overlap too much. If it is going to overlap and leave raised sections where your vinyl striping is, you will want to add a layer of epoxy in between your decal. Now you can go ahead and add your final layers of epoxy until your tumbler is smooth. I have this exact same video up in my mentorship group, but in way more detail. So if you would like to join us, we talked more about how to hide the seams of your water slide to include it in your design and make it cohesive. And then we also talked about adding the vinyl blocking on the bottom with the stripes and hiding the seams where they are absolutely invisible in epoxy. I have the link in my description to join us below. There are tons of benefits. You can click on the link and find out more information. And here is our tumbler all finished. I love how the vinyl striping, that color blocking on the bottom, has matched the stripes in the decal. It just kept the good design super cohesive. I hope my friend likes his tumbler, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks so much for watching.